If you like my video, do hit the like button, subscribe my channel and share it with all others as well.
And welcome to Gardening with Delight, and in this video we are going to talk about the bougainvillea plant. So let's get started. So bougainvillea is an ornamental plant which grows mostly in the warm temperatures. So bougainvillea is available in many colors. For example, pink color is also there, white is also there, and it is also available in the orange color. So bougainvillea is available in yellow color also, and also many more other multicolors. So bougainvillea can grow anywhere from different latitudes, but bougainvillea depends on its type of species and its variety. Now let's go on to how much sunlight is required by the bougainvillea. So bougainvillea requires at least 6 hours of full sunlight a day to flower profusely and look its best. So for growing bougainvillea, at least 6 to 7 hours sunlight is required. So now let's talk about the water or the watering. So water required for bougainvillea is at least from 1 to 2 days. So there must be a gap from 1 to 2 days for the better growth of bougainvillea. Now let's talk about the fertilizers required by bougainvillea. Well, I have never used fertilized bougainvilleas. Either you should just maintain it and give it proper amount of sunlight and water. You should not use much amount of fertilizers in it, because you can use manures, but like vermicomposting also you can use, or some compost, but fertilizers must not be used in case of bougainvilleas. Now let's talk about the pests. So bougainvillea is most of the time attacked by some pests which are named as bougainvillea caterpillar or aphids. So these kind of pests mostly attack bougainvillea. So how to protect it? So in the market, for that, the pesticides are there or the herbicides are there. So you can use them, and then your bougainvillea will be safe from all the kind of pests and the fungus. So now let's talk about the support. For giving the support to your plant or providing it with strength, you can use a wooden stick. This kind of wooden stick can be used to provide the support to your bougainvillea flowers. So now this was all about the bougainvillea. Now how can you, in which pots or in which containers you can grow it? So well, you can just grow it in any kind of container, but that should be a fine container. So you can see the roots of bougainvillea are large in number, and they are no maximum in number. So you should use a big pot, or if you are using a pot, it should be large in the size for the better growth of the bougainvillea. Now see, bougainvillea, if you follow these kind of measures and these steps, then your bougainvillea is gonna bloom. So this was all about today's video. So in today's video we have discussed about the preventive measures and some of the techniques for the better growth of the bougainvillea. So if you like my video, do hit the like button, do share my video, and do subscribe my channel Gardening with Delight. Thank you.